Hey guys, what's happening? How to get shift lock on Roblox Mobile. Roblox Mobile doesn't have a built-in shift lock feature, but you can try these workarounds. While you are in the game, make sure to use a first-person mode, okay? You can go ahead inside the game, right? And then go to the settings and then camera mode, and you can select the first person. Works in some games. Next, use external controller. Okay, so go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings. Connect a Bluetooth to a keyboard or gamepad for better movement control, right? And lastly, game specific settings. Some games have a custom shift lock toggle in their settings. But yeah, so it only depends. It depends on the game basically, right? So if you choose in a game that supports it, you're gonna be able to see the shift lock toggle in their settings. But if you don't have that option, you can go back and use an external keyboard or gamepad for better movement option. Okay, so if Roblox adds official shift lock support for mobile, it will appear in the settings in the future, or it will appear in some games. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.